Hi everyone, my name's Teresa Louise and welcome to my channel. Well, I have a surprise for you today. I have never done an unboxing on my channel and I got this box early today. Yes, I was pretty shocked because today's Friday the 21st. I wasn't really expecting it until tomorrow, but hey, I'm not complaining that I got it early, so I wanted to do a video for you and share what's inside. So let's get this baby open and see what there is. Alrighty. So here's what it looks like when you open the box. Ta-da. And ta-da. Oh wow. Looky there. Looks like we might have got some charm packs. Cool. Now I'm going to have to set this box down. Sorry. Okay. So we always get this little card. I'll just set that aside in case I need to look at it. Alright, yes we did. We got 2 charm packs this month. Cool. Right on. By Moda. By Minky and Simpson. Looks like they're red, white, and blue. I'll look at those in just a minute. I'll try and work it to where I can show you those. And then we got a spool of thread and ooh, pretty red. Looks like it's Aurifil. Looks like it might be applique thread. Might be for the project we got this month. I'll check it out. That's really pretty. Really pretty red. And then we got a template for hexies, for half hexies. That's cool. I don't think I have one of those yet. And then we got some sort of tape here. So let me open that and see what that is. Kind of interesting. I was hoping it was going to be washi tape, but it doesn't look like it. I don't even have any washi tape. In fact, I never even heard of it until I started watching other box openings. Yvette, in particular, she loves that stuff. It's like, I want some of that. What do you use it for? So here it is. Looks like it has some 1/4 inch marks on the blue lines. It's got the red solid and then 2 blue. Might be black. Looks kind of like dark navy blue to me, but I think you might put this on your sewing machine. Yeah, I think that's what that's for. Let's see. Yep, it's a guide. You can, let's see, ditch the marking pins. Oh, it is washi tape. Okay. It sticks to your sewing machine, and so you can do the 1/4 inch seam and line your fabric up. Well, I'll have to give that a try. So it is washi tape, but to me that just kind of feels like masking tape. Is that what? I don't think washi tape is like that, is it? Is washi tape removable? See, I don't even know anything about it, but this is probably removable. Well, anyway, I'll give that a try. See how I like it. And it says for more ideas that you can go to clucksew.com and check out different ideas to use it. So there you go. Got that. Let's open up this. This is a pretty color. I wonder if that, yeah, I think it stays that color after you take the paper off. That paper is always so hard to get off. I should have a score mark on it or something, but that's not too bad. There. That's pretty blue. And it says, Meet in the Middle, Half Hexagon Template by Lisa Alexander. Huh. It's a Sew Sampler exclusive. Pretty cool. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I don't have one of those. I have a bunch of other templates I've gotten. Missouri Star. But no, I don't think I have this one. So, great. And then, of course, we have our two patterns. This one is the Block of the Month by Corey Yoder, and it's the Goodness Grows. It's kind of pretty. Looks like it might be applique again. That should make some of you really happy. I don't mind applique, really. I don't know that I want to do it for the whole quilt, but as you can see, I've been doing the blocks, and this is pretty similar to that second one there that we got, and so now I'm 4 months behind, so I gotta get those cut out, get them ready whenever I have a minute, get them done, because we're gonna get the finishing recipe or whatever you might want to call it. What do you call it? Anyway, the finishing design pretty quick. So I started getting the Sew Sampler in April of last year. So I'm almost at a year getting these. Okay, let's take a look at this other one. Looks like a table runner. Pretty cool. And it's designed by Lisa Alexander. And it finishes at 16 by 60. That's a nice long one. Really pretty. Just in time for, get it done before the 4th of July. Since it has red, white, and blues in it. So, nice little booklet here. Looks like a pretty simple pattern to follow. I'll just show you this one. Okay. So that doesn't look too bad. Okay, so there's that. And that one. Let's look at this fabric. See if I can get this pulled down. So what have you guys been up to? Anything fun? What you making? There, I got it down. Yeah, I had you distracted. All right, let's look at these real quick. If I can get them. I was looking to see how much time I've spent already. Okay, ooh, that's pretty. I like that one. And yeah, I gotta spit on my fingers. But it's my fabric, so I'm not planning on giving it away. It's hard to do it without getting your fingers wet. It's pretty. Like that one. Oh, I really like that one. I hate these bifocals. Or they're not bifocals, but they're progressives. So I have to tilt my head back to get a good view. Otherwise it's blurry. That's pretty. Looks like you don't get many duplicates at all. Well, of course I'd say that, and then you get a duplicate. Ooh, I like that one though. It's pretty. And that one. Beautiful colors. Interesting. Another one of those. that one. I'm not really into the big flower stuff, but once you cut it up, probably can't tell that much. That's pretty. I like these colors. Like that one. Mm-hmm. That one. I like that one. Now I like the toss flower. The little teeny toss flower. I like that pattern. There we go. Like that one. It's kind of pretty. Big stars. And the blue one. And there's two of those. Okay, that's it. Well, those were pretty. Yeah, I like those. I might just have to do that project. Okay, let's see. So the charm packs were 2 for $19.96. The template $9.98. The tape $6.24. I'm just going to look real quick and see what they're using it for. Well, not really specific for either one of these projects, but I suppose you could use it on your table runner somehow. And the washi tape or seam tape was $6.48. And then of course the pattern, the block of the month was $4.98, and the other pattern, table runner, was $9.98. Doesn't really give you a total, and I don't have my calculator with me, but I pay $24.99 a month for this, plus shipping, which is like $5, so about $30. And so $25, it's not a bad price for what you get in this box. I do like this box a lot better than last month, because I just didn't feel like, you know, this was very much fabric. I'll have to do the math, but I like doing the math. Okay, so what do you guys think? Do you guys get this box? And if you do, did you like your box this month? Let me know down in the comments, would you? Love to hear from you. And so until next time, why don't you get out there and make something? I'll talk to you later. Have a good day.